61, remember life and then your life becomes a better one. I made a man so happy when I wrote a letter once. I hope my children come and visit once or twice a month. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Will I think the world is cold, or will I have a lot of children who can bore me? Soon I'll be 60 years old.
Huwag mong sabihin, si Kalbo na naman yung boyfriend mo.
Sino kalbo?
Yung pangit yung kalbo.
Yan ang boyfriend ko.